Come on. Come on. Come on. I need to put you in your... You need to go in your car seat. Come on. Come on.
No.
Come on. Come on, Betsy. Let's go. Come on.
No.
What if we go get chocolate? You want chocolate? You have to get in your car seat.
Okay. Oh, yummy.
Yeah? If we go get chocolate, you'll get in your car seat? Come on. Come on. You have to sit in your car seat if you want chocolate. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here, baby.
Oh.
It's okay. Come here. What a good girl. You are such a girl. Oh my goodness. You are so silly. Your shoe? Is your shoe bothering you? That's okay. You're in your car seat. Thank you.